Good morning, everyone. We are in the town of Ephrata. This is Route 322, and I just thought we would take a walk through the town. It's going to be a noisy walk with the traffic, but I wanted to show you all the cool places and stores and restaurants. So I thought we would start right here. This is kind of like at the top of the hill. This is Bethany United Church of Christ. And I thought we would just start here and make our way down. We'll go up and back, and I'll show you all the neat things around here. It's about 8:30 on a Friday morning, so the traffic is going to be a little noisy. Here we are at Lake Street and 322, and the stores are going to be starting kind of from this point on. And Ephrata is a really cute town. I don't think a lot of people know about all the little stores. I've been to a couple stores, you know, over the years or whatever, but I've never really walked the whole town. So I'm excited to do this myself, just to check out what's here. And most of the stores are not open this early. So I see a couple are with the open signs, but for the most part, I think they open around 9 or 10. Okay, this is Washington Avenue, and the first place coming up on our right is called Revive. And that looks like a neat store we could check out. I don't know if you can see that. Look at the old-time displays. That is super cool. Oh, this is a thrift shop, Revive Thrift Shop. Oh, we'll definitely have to come back here. This looks super cute. Okay, well, there you go, the first thrift shop. Here's Tacos El Gordo taco place. And here's a barbershop. They are open this morning. Next is Harmony's Treasures, new and used discount store. Your everything novelty and discount store. Let's check this out. There's a big patriotic duck. That is very creepy, but it looks like a cool place. We'll definitely have to check that out. This is La Promesa Spanish restaurant, breakfast, lunch, dinner. And it says open, but it looks kind of quiet. I'm not sure if they're open yet. It's hot special today. Roasted chicken, rice beans. We have to go also. Ephrata National Bank. Therapeutic Massage of Ephrata, Liberty Tax Service, Erie Insurance, and that's like a hair salon there. Creator, his and her studio. Candy and classes. Look how cute this is. What is this? What is this store? Christmas. Oh, this is the bakery. They were on the Food Network channel for the Christmas Cookie Challenge. Laura, the Cookie Lady. This is one of the places I want to check out too. So this is a cool bakery, and she was on the Food Network for the Christmas Cookie Channel. That's super cool. And she has some cute seating outside as well. Poor Man's Brewing, Beer and Hoagie House. A lot of fun stuff here. What is this place here? 20% off of this store. Let me see if I see a name. I didn't see a name on this store. like it might be neat, but I'm not really sure what this store is called. I don't know. If anybody knows what that store is, I'll have to look on Google Maps when I get home and I'll insert the name there. Let's see. This is a cute little area with outdoor seating and a cute tent. This is super cute. Mainspring. Okay, this is a really cute outdoor area. All right, let's keep going. China Taste is next here. So it looks like a Chinese restaurant. Yum. Oh yeah, I've seen this place before. They have all these cute little things in their window here. Pharmacy. And then this road that we're crossing now is State Street. So we'll walk down to the next traffic light and then we're going to head back on the other side. And it's a busy spot. Okay, this place is called Scratch Bakes and Cafe, and that is super cute. Look at a cute front porch they have there. Cafe and bakery. Scratch Bakes and Cafe. That is really cute. Next in line is Park Hill Jewelry. International Craft Quilts and Fashion. Let's see what this is. Nails. There's a nail salon. Okay, Philly steaks, calzone pasta, Italian restaurant, Stromboli. Okay, well there's your Italian restaurant there. That's my favorite food. I like anything Italian. And I'm not sure what is Lancaster Farming. The Lidditz Record Express. Sweet. Another insurance company. Here's Fine Wines and Spirit Shop and a tobacco shop. All right, I think we're going to cross the street here and walk up the other direction. So I think that's, I'll check out what's up here, but I think that's the main, the main like drag of where all the stores are and stuff like that. And obviously there's a couple of things over on the side street, like what's over here? There's another barbershop right straight ahead in that red building. And then that's assisted living. Okay, we're gonna cross. Be right back. Okay, over on the other side, this is a home furnishing store. So this is actually, we're heading 322 east. We walked 322 west first. These are a couple residences. It's a cute little building. Tucked away like right in this town here. Ephrata National Bank. Here's another restaurant, Griddle and Grind Cafe Creperie. That is super cute. August specials, spicy Italian crepe, peach Melba crepe. That is really cute. There's definitely a lot of cute shops and restaurants along here. Here's another barbershop. It's the third barbershop in this little town. People must be needing a lot of haircuts. And then this is Christmas and More at Sheldon's. That looks like a cute place. And Sheldon's Gallery and Frame Shop. I had no idea all this. As many times as I've driven by here, I never realized how much stuff was here. Sweet and savory. Ice cream, cookies, panini sandwiches, salads, soups. Awesome. Outdoor seating here as well. Really nice. All right, this is State Street. Gonna cross over here again. It's a busy town, but it's super cute. So over there, I don't know if you can see that far. Across the street it says a cool sign, like an old sign, hardware. That's pretty neat. I didn't see that mural when we were in front of that store. I don't really know what that is. Sharp Styles Barbershop. Another barbershop? Unless that's just advertising for one of the other three that are here. Here's the big Ephrata National Bank. And there's parking for that bank in the back there. And there's the gourmet and decorated cookies, candy and classes. That's where we were over there. So the town is so cute. It's really, really, really a charming little town. Okay, let's see what's up here. A couple benches up here, pretty flowers at the bank. Dentures, nail spa, Ephrata Pizza is right here, and they have cute outdoor dining as well. CJ Ephrata Pizza. Awesome. Okay, let's see if there's anything else up here. Chiropractor is over there, and bus stop is here, and also public parking. There's an arrow down there, so there must be some more parking down that street possibly. Although I've never had trouble getting parking right on the street. A couple times I maybe had to park behind, but for the most part I haven't had too much trouble. Well, I think, let's see, there's one more place up here. Let's check this place out. Oh, see what's at the end here. Okay, this is another restaurant. This is Three Sisters Park Thai Cuisine. And they are open, so that's their restaurant right there. And there's a couple seats so you can sit outside. Nice. And then here we are back at Lake Street where we started. So I hope you enjoyed this walking tour of Ephrata. If you're in the area of Ephrata, definitely, park your car and take a little walk around the town. There are cute restaurants and shops, that is for sure. Thank you guys so much for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day, everyone.